Creating whiteboard explainer videos takes hours of editing or a lot of money to outsource, and even small revisions can be frustrating. But what if you could turn a simple prompt or document into a fully animated whiteboard video in minutes? That's exactly what Golpo 2.0 does, an AI-powered platform that transforms your ideas into structured, editable videos instantly. Let's see how it works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
So, first, we'll start by searching for Golpo AI and open the official website of Golpo AI. Once you land on the homepage, you'll immediately see that this is a powerful text-to-video AI platform. It allows you to transform your documents, scripts, or simple prompts into professional whiteboard-style explainer videos within minutes. This is a no-code AI video generator designed for training, marketing, and educational content. It's also an excellent tool for running faceless YouTube channels. Whiteboard-style explainer videos like these often gain strong engagement, and many have reached millions of views across different niches. Now let's go back to the main website. At the top, you'll also notice that Golpo 2.0 has been officially launched. Golpo 2.0 is significantly more powerful and more accurate. It can handle deeper and more technical material and generates coherent, fully editable whiteboard-style videos. It now supports over 40 languages. While many cinematic AI models focus mainly on visuals and dramatic effects, Golpo is built specifically for clear communication. It turns prompts, documents, or scripts into structured animated explainer videos in minutes. Golpo is also a YC-backed company, which shows strong credibility behind the platform. If you want to see what kind of videos it can generate, simply scroll down and check the sample videos provided on the homepage to get a better idea. Now let's click on Try Now and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see this dashboard interface. Here, you can directly enter your prompt and describe your video topic from your own perspective. You can even instruct it to generate videos in different languages. There are multiple ways to create your video. First, you can generate a video using a simple prompt. Second, you can upload your own narration, either an audio or video file, and Golpo will automatically generate visuals based on your voice. You can also record your audio directly inside the platform, and it will create the full video accordingly. If you want more control, you can switch to script mode. In this mode, you can write a complete script manually, and Golpo will turn that exact script into a structured animated video. This is perfect if you want full control over your content. Below that, you can choose your model. You can select Golpo Sketch or Golpo 2.0. For today's video, we'll use Golpo 2.0 since we're testing the latest and most advanced version. Before generating a video, let me quickly show you the pricing plans. If you go to the Plans section, you'll see multiple options: Starter, Creator, Growth, Business, and Enterprise. Each plan offers different features. If you're a serious content creator, I would recommend the Business plan. It includes custom logo support, detailed video instructions, team member access, frame-by-frame editing, audio-only export, voice cloning, own narration, user video and image insertion, improved video styles, and many advanced options not available in the basic plans. The Business and Enterprise plans unlock the full potential of the platform, especially when it comes to advanced editing and prompt-based adjustments. Although it may sound expensive at first, it's actually much more cost-effective compared to hiring a full production team or outsourcing explainer videos. In many ways, this tool can even replace traditional PowerPoint presentations because it provides structured, animated, and editable presentation-style videos automatically. Now, let's continue and create our first video using Golpo 2.0. Now, let's enter our prompt. For this example, we'll write something like, "How to turn a startup idea into a successful and profitable business." Once your prompt is ready, you can also attach supporting files if you want to be more specific. For example, you can attach website links, PDF documents, or even insert images directly using this option. Below that, you'll find the option to use your own user-created videos and images. If you've already created custom visuals or video clips, you can insert them into your final video here. There's also a record screen feature. You can use this to capture walkthroughs or demos and insert them as clips inside your final video. If you only want to create audio content, you can enable the Audio Only option to generate voice-based content without visuals. Next, we can add additional instructions. For example, under voice instructions, I'll write British accent. For video instructions, I'll leave the field empty for now. Below that, you can enable Edit Script before creating, which allows you to review and modify the script before the video is generated. I highly recommend turning this on. We'll also enable the colorful option to make the video more visually engaging. For background music, we'll select Engaging Music. As for duration, you can generate videos up to 10 minutes long, depending on your plan. For this demo, we'll choose 1 minute just to show you how it works. For the voice, we'll select a male voice. Then choose the orientation, landscape, or portrait, depending on your platform. For language, as you can see, it now supports over 40+ languages, so you can select any language based on your audience. Under Style, there are multiple options like Chatbot, Whiteboard, Modern, Minimal, and more. For this example, we'll select the Whiteboard style. If you have a logo for your brand or company, you can upload it here as well. Now click on Generate Script. Golpo AI will first generate the script for your video. Once it's ready, you can carefully read it. If you want to make changes, you can edit it manually. If everything looks good, click on Create Video from Script. And if you're not satisfied, you can always click on Regenerate Script to get a new version. Now, before generating the video, you'll see an option asking whether you want to make the video public in the Golpo library. If you want it to be public, select Yes. If not, simply select No, and then click Continue. After that, Golpo AI will begin generating your video based on the approved script. Once your video is ready, you can click on Full Screen View to watch the final result.
Start by defining success as profit from customers who stick around. Then turn your idea into a testable hypothesis: who the customer is, what painful problem they have, how they solve it today, and why they would pay you now. Next, validate with evidence. Talk to customers about past behavior, not opinions. Use landing pages, demos, or pilots, and push for small payments early because money beats interest. Only then build an MVP that proves the riskiest assumption, even if the work is manual. Choose a business model and price based on value, and watch unit economics from day one: margins, acquisition cost, and retention. Growth comes last. Pick one acquisition channel, make it repeatable, and protect what works with switching costs.
Take a look at the visuals, the animations, and the voiceover quality. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. If you want to download the video, simply click on the Download option and you can save it directly to your computer. Now, let's say you want to edit a specific part of the video. Here's how you can do it. Go back to the main dashboard and click on your profile icon. Then select Edit Video. Inside this section, you'll see all your previously generated videos on the Golpo platform. Choose any video and click on the Edit option. You'll now enter the editing interface where you can see the video broken down clip by clip. Select any specific clip you want to modify. You can play it individually to preview it. If you want to make changes, simply describe what you want to adjust. You can also upload reference materials, such as images, to make your instructions more specific. Once your prompt and reference material are ready, click on Edit, and the updated clip will be generated. You can then replace the old clip with the new one. This makes the editing process very flexible and simple. You can refine your video scene by scene without recreating the entire project. So, what do you think about this tool? If you're looking for a platform where you can simply enter a prompt or upload PDFs, scripts, or other resources and automatically generate a complete animated whiteboard-style video, then this tool is definitely worth checking out. I'll put the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one.